Welcome to Thailand, the land of smiles. This Southeast Asian gem is a paradise of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern life. Picture pristine beaches, lush jungles, and bustling cities. From the vibrant street life and grand temples of Bangkok to the tranquil, mountainous landscapes of Chiang Mai and the crystal clear waters of Phuket and Krabi, Thailand has it all.
But it's not just the landscapes that captivate, it's the people, the culture, and the food. Thailand is renowned for its warm hospitality, delectable cuisine, from spicy street food to world-class dining, and vibrant festivals like Songkran and Loi Krathong. Whether you are exploring the historical ruins of Ayutthaya, diving in the Andaman Sea, or simply enjoying a Thai massage, there's an adventure around every corner. Join me as we uncover the secrets of Thailand, dive into its rich history, savor its culinary delights, and experience the true essence of Thai culture. Bangkok. Bangkok, the vibrant heart of Thailand. This bustling metropolis is a city of contrasts, where ancient temples stand alongside modern skyscrapers. Wander through the bustling markets, sample world-famous street food, and explore the opulent Grand Palace in Wat Arun. By day, Bangkok is a shopper's paradise with everything from luxury malls to lively floating markets. By night, the city comes alive with its vibrant nightlife, from rooftop bars offering stunning skyline views to the lively entertainment districts. As the sun sets, Bangkok's nightlife comes alive. Whether it's sipping cocktails at a rooftop bar with a stunning view of the city skyline, exploring the vibrant night markets, or enjoying live music and dance performances, there's something for everyone. Phuket. Phuket, Thailand's largest and most famous island. Known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural heritage, Phuket is a tropical paradise that has something for everyone. Phuket is not just about beaches, it's also a gateway to amazing adventures. Take a boat trip to the breathtaking Phi Phi Islands or the iconic James Bond Island. Dive or snorkel in the Andaman Sea to discover vibrant coral reefs and marine life. Immerse yourself in the island's rich culture by visiting the Big Buddha, Wat Chalong, and the old Phuket town, with its charming Sino-Portuguese architecture and colorful streets. Don't miss the night markets, where you can indulge in local street food, shop for unique souvenirs, and enjoy live entertainment. Koh Phi Phi. Koh Phi Phi, one of Thailand's most breathtaking island destinations. Nestled in the Andaman Sea, Koh Phi Phi is renowned for its stunning limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Start your adventure on Phi Phi Dawn, the largest of the five islands, where you can relax on beautiful beaches like Long Beach and Lodalum Bay. Enjoy snorkeling, diving, or kayaking in the turquoise waters, or hike up to the viewpoint for a panoramic view of the island. Don't miss out on the vibrant nightlife of Tonsai Village, where beach bars and restaurants offer a lively atmosphere with fire shows, music, and delicious Thai cuisine. For a more serene experience, head to the quieter side of the island to enjoy the natural beauty and tranquility. Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya, Thailand's ancient capital and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Once the thriving center of the Kingdom of Siam, Ayutthaya is a city steeped in history, filled with magnificent temples, palaces, and ruins that tell the tale of its glorious past. Begin your journey by exploring the historical park, where you can wander through the impressive ruins of Wat Mahathat, famous for the Buddha head and twined entry routes, and Wat Phra Singphet, the grandest temple in the ancient city. Discover the beauty of Wat Chavattanaram, with its stunning architecture and serene riverside location. Ayutthaya is also home to the Bang Pa Inn Royal Palace, a beautiful summer retreat for Thai royalty, featuring a blend of Thai, Chinese, and European architectural styles. Don't forget to explore the local museums, like the Chao Sam Phraya National Museum, to delve deeper into the history and artifacts of this ancient city. Koh Samui. Koh Samui, Thailand's tropical paradise. Known for its stunning beaches, lush jungles, and vibrant nightlife, Koh Samui offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Start your journey on the beautiful beaches of Chaweng, Lamai, and Beaufort, where you can soak up the sun, swim in crystal clear waters, and enjoy a variety of water sports. For a more tranquil experience, visit the secluded beaches like Mainam and Lepa Noi. Koh Samui is also home to cultural treasures. Explore the Big Buddha Temple, with its impressive 12-meter golden Buddha statue, and visit Wat Play Lim, known for its striking statues and serene surroundings. Don't miss the secret Buddha Garden, nestled in the island's lush interior, offering a peaceful escape with beautiful sculptures and stunning views. Khao Sok. Khao Sok, Thailand's hidden gem and home to one of the oldest rainforests in the world. Khao Sok National Park is a paradise for nature lovers, offering breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and thrilling adventures. Begin your journey by exploring the lush jungle, where you can hike through ancient forests, encounter exotic wildlife, and marvel at towering limestone cliffs. Don't miss a visit to Cho Lan Lake, a stunning emerald reservoir surrounded by karst formations, perfect for kayaking, boating, and swimming. Khao Sok is also home to unique flora and fauna. Keep an eye out for the rare Rafflesia flower, one of the largest flowers in the world, and spot gibbons, hornbills, and other wildlife as you trek through the jungle. Night safaris offer a chance to see nocturnal creatures and hear the sounds of the rainforest after dark. Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai, the cultural heart of northern Thailand. Known for its rich history, stunning temples, and vibrant traditions, Chiang Mai offers a unique blend of ancient heritage and modern charm. Start your journey in the old city, where ancient walls and moats surround beautiful temples like Wat Phra Singh and Wat Chedi Luang. Don't miss Wat Phra the Doi Sutep, perched on a mountain with breathtaking views of the city and a revered golden pagoda. Chiang Mai is famous for its lively markets. Explore the bustling night bazaar, the colorful Saturday walking street, and the artisanal Sunday walking street, where you can shop for local crafts, try delicious street food, and experience the local culture. Koh Chang. Koh Chang, Thailand's second largest island and a hidden gem in the Gulf of Thailand. Known for its pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and laid-back atmosphere, Koh Chang offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Explore Koh Chang's rich natural beauty by trekking through its dense rainforests. Discover hidden waterfalls like Klong Plu Waterfall, where you can take a refreshing dip in the cool pool surrounded by tropical greenery. Don't miss a visit to the Myom Waterfall, known for its picturesque setting and serene atmosphere. Raleigh. Raleigh is also a rock climber's paradise, with towering limestone cliffs that attract climbers from around the world. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced climber, you'll find routes suitable for all levels, offering stunning views of the Andaman Sea and lush jungle. Explore the lush greenery and hidden lagoons of Raleigh by hiking through the jungle trails to viewpoints like the Dragon Crest or the lagoon. Discover the natural beauty of Phra Nang Cave Beach, where you can swim, snorkel, or simply relax in the shade of the limestone cliffs. As we conclude our journey through Thailand, we've explored a land of incredible diversity and beauty. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, the ancient temples of Ayutthaya to the lush jungles of Khao Sok, Thailand has captivated us with its rich culture, warm hospitality, and unforgettable experiences. And that wraps up our incredible journey through Thailand. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil shores of Koh Samui, this country has amazed us at every turn with its beauty, culture, and warmth. We've explored ancient temples, indulged in delicious street food, and soaked in the sun on some of the world's most stunning beaches. Whether you are seeking adventure in the mountains or relaxation by the sea, Thailand offers something for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos.